Where are we going today, babe?
Puerto Princesa.
How's the coffee?
Really good.
Not too sweet?
Not too sweet. It's perfect. No brush, no problem. Good, babe? Is enough?
Yeah. To Puerto Princesa. Cheers. I've already drank my whole coffee and she's not even halfway. We are all packed up and ready to go, and it's only 11:13. Are you ready to say goodbye to Manila?
Yeah, so ready.
Why, you hate this place?
No, it's good, but
Excited for something new?
yeah, there's something.
What are we doing now, babe?
Getting ready to leave.
And then?
And then what?
COVID test?
Yeah.
And then?
And then airport.
Yep.
Am I right?
Right about what?
We need to book a hotel
Before we fly?
before we fly. Last minute.
That's probably pretty smart.
Yeah, I'm smart, babe.
So smart.
So smart.
And pretty.
Thanks, baby.
Say goodbye to the room.
Yeah, bye.
Did you like it here?
Yeah, of course. I love it.
Can't even open the door because of all the trash. It's a hot one. Taxi! No, they're not coming to us. You're wearing a hoodie.
Yeah, because it's hot.
And it's 87 degrees. Alrighty then. We're here. Leaving now. I just got my COVID swab. Should get the results in about 20 minutes. Hope I don't fail. Mia got a taxi. Good job. It just started to rain. On our way to the airport now. I just got my COVID test results. Let's see. Result negative. Have arrived at the airport. So this is the line. It goes all the way around. And yeah, you can't even tell how long it is, but it's really long. Since we have such a long wait, I decided to get some more coffee. So we just checked in and I decided to be extra fat today. And this is my third coffee and some Cinnabon. What do you think about that, babe?
Good. sweet.
So Mia is being the responsible adult, and she got a chicken sandwich. Boring. YOLO. Waiting to board our flight, checking for hotels.
Let's see what's nearby.
We are finally boarding. Here we go. We're here. Waiting for our luggage. Actually, she already has her luggage. Just waiting for mine. Now we're going to the hotel. Very busy. How much is it? We made it. How much was this? Like 25 bucks a night?
35.
35 a night? Crab Rangoon?
Oh, we have people.
There's honestly so much room in here, it's kind of crazy. So much room. And even the ceilings are pretty high. The AC's blowing cold. The AC's cold. But now for the ultimate test.
Oh no.
That's not bad. 7. It's not bad. I can live with that. Can you live with that?
Of course I don't mind.
What do you want to do?
I want to eat.
Yeah.
More food.
So what are we gonna do?
We're going to eat.
And have some drinks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun.
Have fun?
Where are we going?
Well, that didn't take no time. Bye-bye. We made it.
Looks good in here.
Ready to have some drinks? I like this place. It has
like
some
the
ambiance. Yeah.
Ambience.
The ambiance. Take a look at the menu here. Starting the night off right with the Red Horse. Yummy.
Is it yummy?
I don't know, I'm gonna find out.
That's a good game.
here is solid.
Like it?
Good stuff. Good stuff. Wow, she already got her food. What is it, babe?
Katsudon.
What's in it?
It has pork chop, vegetables, egg, and rice.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thanks, baby.
But you're gonna wait for me
Yeah.
to get my food.
Yeah.
That's nice of you.
Of course.
So polite.
I wish there's a chili sauce.
Chili sauce po, meron. Sweet chili sauce po.
Thanks.
And what is this?
That's California.
California roll. And what is this?
That's soy sauce.
Yum.
Yummy. What did you
And who are you? With a side of wasabi and
The chili sauce.
soy sauce, chili sauce, wasabi, California roll, and
Katsudon.
katsudon. Wow, you're gonna eat all that?
Of course, it's not much. It's
And here's my food, chicken teriyaki and a salad with a generous helping of mayonnaise. Yum. Oh, I love when they put mayonnaise all over. You're destroying it. A pro at work. All done. What'd you think of your food, babe? What'd you think of your food?
Okay. That was okay.
Not bad.
Not bad.
We don't know where we're going.
Just walking around. Palawan.
I heart Palawan. You heart Palawan?
Here.
We're looking for the bikini bar. What are we looking for?
Bikini bar.
The bikini bar. That sounds like fun. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Posing?
Yeah, it's right.
I think we found the bikini bar. Yeah! What's that name? Salvation? Okay, so this is the bikini bar I found. But Mia, you don't want to go in the bikini bar now?
No.
You change your mind? Okay. You got some food? You got some food? We got some chicken. And the doggy got some food.
Kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty.
What's up, guys? Can we come in?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Wow. It's a nice place, huh? What are we doing today, babe?
I don't know.
Gonna try to find a spot to fly the drone.
Yeah,
You have the drone there
I have the drone here.
and our dirty laundry.
Yeah, we need to drop this.
We fed the dogs. Cute little doggies. Where'd the other one go? Oh, there he is. We're about to go island hopping.
Exciting.